The three pillars of Kaizen, namely housekeeping, waste elimination, and standardization, are the essential components that collectively support a culture of continuous improvement within organizations. Pillar 1: Housekeeping. Housekeeping in Kaizen is primarily implemented through the 5S methodology, which focuses on creating a clean, uncluttered, safe, and well-organized workplace. This method involves removing unnecessary items, arranging what remains in a functional order, performing regular cleaning, establishing routines for maintaining these standards, and fostering discipline to ensure these practices are upheld. The purpose is to enhance efficiency and safety, making it easier for employees to perform their jobs without unnecessary hindrance.
Pillar 2: Waste elimination. Waste elimination is a fundamental aspect of Kaizen that draws heavily from the lean manufacturing principles developed in the Toyota production system. It focuses on identifying and removing various forms of waste that do not add value to the customer, such as overproduction, excess processing, and defects. By eliminating these types of waste, organizations can streamline their operations, improve productivity, and ultimately, deliver better value to customers.
This continuous quest to identify and reduce waste helps to drive the continuous improvement cycle promoted by Kaizen. Pillar 3: Standardization. Standardization is about creating uniform procedures and norms that everyone in the organization understands and follows. It involves documenting processes and establishing consistent ways of working to ensure that activities are performed efficiently and predictably.
This standardization helps to improve quality by reducing the variability that can lead to defects. Moreover, it provides a solid foundation for further improvements by ensuring that all employees are aligned and clear about how tasks should be performed, which is essential for both maintaining gains and fostering an environment where new improvements can be effectively implemented.
Together, these pillars foster an environment where continuous improvement is not just encouraged but integrated into the daily operations of the organization, promoting a disciplined, efficient, and proactive workplace culture. Take your organization from being good to great. Apply Kaizen to improve productivity, operational excellence, profitability, and resilience.
Visit drshruti.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.